pre-planned poach on the receiving side. My recommendation is to do this on a second serve, okay? Because it's, especially with somebody like what she does with that second serve, because you have an easier time on a second serve. So what you're gonna do is you just talk to your partner and say, hey, if we get a second serve on this point, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. And what that means is the person who's the partner to the receiver is gonna creep in a little bit. It's a second serve, okay? And it's pre-planned. So as the ball's going over, you're creeping in as it bounces and they're about to hit, you switch and go, and your partner goes that way.
Okay.
Okay, so you're poaching like you do on the service side, but only on the return of serve. And to work on it and to learn it, let's only do it on second serves.
Okay.
Okay.